Hey guys, have you had shoulder pain in the last 30 days?
Do you have pain when reaching overhead or into your back pocket, maybe even when picking up your grandchildren?
Maybe you have pain at night and your shoulder pain is keeping you from sleeping. If this is you, then I want to invite you to a special event that we're hosting here at Pure Phsical Therapy. The presentation is by myself, Dr. Garza,
And me, Dr. Amy Garza.
and we have a special guest. His name is Dr. Ross Chapel, and he's the only fellowship-trained orthopedic upper extremity specialist in the Rio Grande Valley.
Now you're probably figuring out what are you going to learn at our seminar.
Yeah, so if you come to this seminar, you're going to learn a couple of things. First, you're going to learn the 3 common causes of shoulder pain. You're also going to learn how to heal your shoulder pain without injections, medications, and surgery. You're going to learn the number 1 biggest single mistake that people make in dealing with their shoulder pain. And you're also going to learn about some possible surgical interventions that may be available to maybe those that have tried everything and cannot resolve their shoulder pain.
I really hope if any of those conditions sound like you have shoulder pain or you know someone with shoulder pain, I hope you come check this out. It's a great wealth of information, great tools that you are going to have at your fingertips, and you'll provide yourself with information to help heal your pain.
So if you want to register for the seminar, go ahead and click the button below, enter your information, and we'll see you here.
See you there.